Little rotation here as money goes into the Nasdaq, out of the Dow. Let's get to Bob Pisani again. Hey, Bob.
And a strange morning here. United Health down 15. They're not happy with Honeywell's earnings. That's down about 6. Caterpillar is also weak. So strange dichotomy here. But it's the growth stuff they're going for. Just take a look at the sectors here. Kathy Wood's ARC fund just off to a great start. 5-month high there. Communication services been great. Meta's strong. Alphabet's strong. Consumer discretionary. Amazon in consumer discretionary strong there. And semiconductors also strong. I want to hit on consumer discretionary. Home building stocks are hitting new highs today. So Pulte had a great earnings report earlier on. There's been several price upgrades to Pulte in the last few days. Horton's at a new high. Lennar's at a new high as well. I don't think KB Home is, but it's probably very close here. Elsewhere, obviously, it's big cap tech here. Meta's just on fire, but Google, Amazon, Apple, all really strong. Growth is really back. This is a big trend in 2023. Mark Zuckerberg got a lot of comments about the love of efficiency. It turns out, people like it when revenues go up and the costs go down. Who would have thought? But take a look at the buybacks. This $40 billion buyback is about 10% of the market cap if they actually go through with this whole thing. And they have been buying back shares. They're one of the ones successfully reducing share count. They had 2.4 billion in beginning of 2021. Today they got 2.2 billion. That should say 2.2 billion. And that would be a reduction of about 10%. And if they go through with this buyback and don't add more shares, that'll be a significant reduction as well. That count will go down even more here. And this buyback thing has really been big in 2022 and it's continuing in 2023. You remember the Chevron announcement? That got a lot of discussion last week. That was the biggest one. These are announced buybacks, not executed, 75 billion. But Meta is number 2. But there's been a whole bunch of ones in the $6 and $5 billion range. Mondelez and BlackRock, Bank of New York Mellon, UPS, Marathon Petroleum, all have announced significant buybacks. So Meta is really the second biggest one of the year. But all this is happening because corporate America is really flush with cash. 2022 will likely be a record year. We don't have the final numbers, but you're going to see these are executed buybacks. Almost $1 trillion bought back in 2022. Dividends were almost half of that. So buybacks are definitely more popular as a way of returning money to shareholders. If we get anything close to a soft landing, Carl, there's going to be a lot more of this. Interestingly, Carl, I have not seen any press releases out of Washington from people who are outraged about Meta's buyback the same way they were outraged about Chevron's buyback, claiming Chevron should buy back, should take the money and go out and deal with oil wells. I haven't heard anybody saying that Meta should go out and spend more money on the Meta universe or on virtual reality. I'm waiting for that kind of press release to come out of Washington, Carl.